Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your client communication with Microsoft Teams, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your client communication with Microsoft Teams, start by setting up your Microsoft Teams account. Download the Microsoft Teams application or visit the web version at teams.microsoft.com. Sign in with your work or school account to access all available features. Once logged in, create a dedicated team for client communication. Click on Join or Create a Team and select Create Team. Choose from scratch or from an existing group based on your needs. For client communication, choose the private option to control access. Give your team a name that reflects its purpose, like Client Communications. Add relevant clients and team members by entering their email addresses. After creating the team, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the tabs at the top, such as Posts, Files, and Wiki. Use the Posts tab for ongoing conversations and updates. Consider using channels to organize discussions by project or topic. Create channels by clicking the ellipsis next to your team's name and selecting Add Channel. Utilize the Files tab to share important documents, upload files directly or create new ones using Microsoft Office tools. Leverage the Meetings feature to schedule calls and video conferences. Select Calendar on the left side and click New Meeting. Fill in the meeting details, including date, time, and agenda. Send out meeting invitations to clients and team members. During meetings, use screen sharing to present ideas effectively. Take advantage of the chat feature for direct communication. Send messages, files, and links quickly through the chat interface. Encourage clients to use the chat feature for quick questions or updates. Explore integrated apps like Planner or OneNote to enhance collaboration. Integrate third-party applications as needed to streamline workflows. If clients are unfamiliar with Teams, guide them on using basic features. Provide resources or short tutorials for a smoother onboarding process. Regularly check in with clients through dedicated channels or meetings. Gather feedback on communication effectiveness and make adjustments accordingly. Utilize Microsoft Teams security features to protect sensitive client information. Ensure all team members are aware of best practices for client interactions. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your client communication with Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.